I've never had cabbage this delicious before. Super easy and tasty. Let's start by cutting half a cabbage. Set that aside for now. In a bowl, we'll crack 2 eggs. Season with salt and beat well. Now pour the eggs over the cabbage. Mix to coat the cabbage with egg. Set it aside. Add some oil to a pan, spread it well. Then add all the cabbage. Cover and cook for 5-10 minutes. Once the bottom is golden, flip it. Now add some ketchup on top. Spread it well, then add cream cheese. Add mozzarella slices and pepperoni to taste. Sprinkle some oregano on top. Cover until the cheese melts. Now you can slice and enjoy it. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.